Good evening everyone. It is 5 p.m. in Shanghai and I'm back again. आज मैं जिस टॉपिक के बारे में डिस्कस करूँगी इट्स अ वेरी widely spoken topic. So can you guess it? I think some of you might guess it. It's about mindset. So mindset जो है वो हमारे business में especially plays a very important role. And today I'm going to talk about mindset in context of my business. So the mindset is the locus point and from there stems all other attributes. So attributes like जो मैंने discuss भी किए थे अभी पहले, like resilience, adaptability, innovation, creativity, confidence and other attributes, वो सब कुछ actually mindset से ही emanate होता है. Because if we are in the right mindset, so we can do a lot of things. The productivity level is at another level क्योंकि the mindset gives us the confidence, it gives us the strength to sometimes face the challenge and also to turn the adversity into the opportunity. So yes, it's very important to stay in the right mindset or to be in the growth mindset जो बोलते हैं. और अगर आप फिक्स माइंडसेट के जोन में भी हो तो हाउ टू कम बैक टू द ग्रोथ माइंडसेट. सो वो सारे जो थ्योरीज हैं वी ऑल नो दैट यूज द येट वर्ड एंड ऑल, but I'll not go there. But I'll just tell you that as an independent business mentor, how do I strive and how do I make sure that I'm in the right mindset? So I would like to tell you that actually I'm independent, but I'm not alone, because we have a very strong global community, and it is very strongly closely knit. When I say that, why do I say that? Because yes, everyone is helping each other, uplifting each other. How? Like we have weekly masterminds, we have weekly webinars where the people who are now in the stage of being successful, and like those who have joined business 5 years before, 3 years before, and who are successful, they come every week or like, and they share their success stories. Also they share the how to get the success, what are the ways, and how to face the challenges, because everyone face challenges. There are hiccups in everyone's business or work, right? Career life. So that is the best part, and I think that's how that keeps us going, because every week if somebody is there to hold your hand virtually and to uplift you, that is the great thing. So yes, that's how we keep our mindset intact and we don't feel alone. And then independently everyone is working on their mindset. Like some people, they love to listen to Tony Robbins, and some people, they love to listen to Jay Shetty, some people love to listen to Robin Sharma. And like at some point of a time, I used to listen to Sandeep Maheshwari a lot. Then if I talk about my husband, he likes Sonu Sharma a lot. And at some point of a time, I heard Sadhguru a lot. And nowadays what I love to do is I love to watch Josh Talks, because the real story by real people, their real struggle, and many of them are coming from a very humble background, and how they have shown that resilience, and how much challenge they have faced, and now the level at which they are is like wow. I mean, it's mind blowing and it is very very inspirational. So I love to watch. When I go for a walk, I listen to Josh Talks. Also podcast, because podcast helps us to mindset is also not only always keeping positive, but also to widen our knowledge and sharpen our mind. So that's also a part of mindset. So yes, I wanted to discuss about mindset today. Also when I was thinking about like what should I speak, I think जो हमारा एक natural human survival instinct है, that is also very closely intertwined with mindset. So हमारे अंदर ये inherent है, right? But now like इतना सारा जो development हुआ है, that is only because of mindset. Like the human race has won everything, but now the only difference is that we talk a lot about it, And pehle maybe the less people were working on their mindset, but now the more number of population is working on mindset. So my today's share is about mindset, and I would like to thank people who are watching the video and they are liking, and yes, thank you so much. So look forward to see you again. Till then, take care. Bye bye. Have a nice evening.